Well, we are in the middle of tax season, and as you prepare to file your taxes, you need to be aware of several big changes that happened as a result of President Trump's big, beautiful spending bill, which was passed into law just last year. And helping us to sort this out is David Oath. He is with Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, or VITA, which helps people all across southeastern Minnesota with tax preparation. Thanks for joining us, David.
Glad to be here.
And of course, we can't go through every single change. There are a lot of changes, but you distilled it down to about 4 or 5 for us. Why don't we start with the changes related to overtime?
Yeah, a new tax deduction this year is if you receive overtime, say you get paid time and a half for working more than 40 hours, that extra half premium is now a deduction on your federal tax return.
So the important point, federal only or state as well?
It is federal only at this point.
Okay, and so that would mean your take-home amount of money on your paycheck would get bigger.
Right. You're just going to pay less taxes at the end. And we started seeing people about 10 days ago, and we've probably seen this come up 30 times. So it's fairly common.
Okay, very interesting. All right, moving on to tax tip number 2. That relates to tips, and that has been a big topic as well.
Yeah, if you're in the service industry, say a waiter at a restaurant, the tips that you receive are not subject to federal income tax. And a lot of times we help somebody who was a waiter, and about a third of their income was tips. So it's very significant to the people it's affected.
Is there a difference between the how you receive the tip, whether it's cash, credit card tips, other ways?
Generally, it has to be reported on your income, but it could be credit card receipt tips. It could be tips that were received in cash, or tips that are allocated to you from your employer.
So really any type of tips?
Yeah, any type of. The common situations we're seeing are waiters, and then like Uber drivers, delivery drivers, that type of thing.
Sure, that's a big group. All right. Speaking of driving, there is also some good news for anyone who purchased a car, I believe.
Yeah, if you purchased a car during 2025, it has to be a new car, can't be a used car, and it has to be assembled in the United States. So you have to make sure that it qualifies, but if you did and you have a loan, that interest is now a deduction.
Are there any limits to that amount too?
There is a limit. I want to say it's $12,500, but I wouldn't take that to the bank. But there is a limit.
All right, very well. And then tip number 4, relating to seniors and some extra money available there as well.
Yeah, so anyone 65 or older receives a $6,000 extra deduction. This is on top of their standard deduction. Okay. There does have an income limit. It starts getting phased out, I think, at $150,000. But it's going to affect most of the seniors filing tax returns, I bet.
Got it. And real quick, David, you also had some big advice related to how you want to receive your refund, paper checks or?
The IRS and the federal government is basically phasing out paper checks. So if you ask for a paper refund check, it's probably going to take 3 to 4 months. So they're really encouraging you to get some type of direct deposit option. Could be a debit card, could be a banking account.
Makes it a lot faster too. Real quick, David, we have just a few seconds left. Tell us about your organization and how people can see you.
Yeah, we're a group of 104 volunteers. We offer clinics at 6 different sites in this area.
And we have a graphic right there, yes.
Yep. And you can call either 211, which is the United Way community referral number, or you can go to our website, which is semntaxes.org. So it's there you'll have an option to schedule an appointment. And again, we're open 6 of the 7 days of the week.
Very good. We'll put all that information on our website as well, KAAL-TV.com, and you can see if you can connect with David and the 143 other VITA representatives.